Good evening, everybody. My name is Sudip Parikh, and I am the Chief Executive Officer for the American Association for the Advancement of Science and the Executive Publisher for the Science family of journals. I want to thank the Society for Women's Health Research for this honor. I am truly humbled to accept this award. I've had the privilege of working with the Society for Women's Health Research for many years. First, as a Senate staffer, on the receiving end of your messages. And now, as our organizations stand shoulder to shoulder to advocate for and highlight women's contributions to science and health. Lift as you climb is a lesson I learned early in my career from wonderful women mentors. Unfortunately, women are still outnumbered by men in science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and medical profession leadership positions. If we're going to cure diseases, explore Mars, address climate change, and invent future technologies, we're going to need the brain power of everybody. As the world's largest general scientific society, AAAS is committed to advancing science, engineering, and innovation throughout the world for the benefit of all people. We have an important role to play to create a more inclusive and equitable environment for women to thrive in the scientific enterprise and to drive scientific excellence. When AAAS was established in 1848, our first president may not have imagined someone like me as the CEO, or that our entire board executive committee would be composed of women. That extends to the many women on our full board and leadership team who are driving positive change, enriching our culture, and bringing their expertise and leadership every day. I have received letters from scientists attacking our focus on diversity, equity, and inclusion, stating that race has no scientific basis, gender plays no role in the meritocracy, and science ought to ignore both. But race and patriarchy are powerful social constructs with societal consequences that cannot be overlooked. These ill-informed messages reinforce the importance of not just highlighting the contributions of women across scientific disciplines, but also addressing the systemic challenges that keep them out of leadership positions. Through our many programs, we're honored to support the next generation of women in science, hosting initiatives and efforts that spark scientific curiosity from an early age. The amazing display you see here is of life-size 3D printed statues of Lyda Hill, AAAS If-Then ambassadors, which were on display at the Smithsonian during Women's Futures Month. These women scientists will get you excited about science no matter who you are. For women starting their research careers, we run the Marion Milligan Mason Awards, which kickstart the research careers of promising women in the chemical sciences. In addition to research funding, the program provides leadership development and mentorship opportunities. For the past half-century, AAAS Science and Technology Policy Fellows have been leveraging their expertise to inform public policy. Each year, AAAS places hundreds of women scientists and engineers in all three branches of the federal government. Decision makers benefit from their expertise, and STPF fellows gain hands-on policy-making experience. Women make up nearly 70% of this year's class of STPF fellows. Importantly, addressing inequities in science and research must take place at the systems level. The AAASC Change program is pioneering this approach in the United States. Driving equity for women hits close to home for me as the father of 11-year-old twin daughters. I envision a bright future where they see no bounds to what they can accomplish. And I'm honored to be at the helm of an organization that is doing its part to affect that change, and honored to accept this award in partnership with our amazing team at AAAS. Congratulations to my fellow awardees, Dr. Barfield and Pfizer, and thanks again for this wonderful honor.